Hey guys! In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 8 best greenhouse kits. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Eagle Peak Greenhouse Kit. The Eagle Peak Mini Garden Portable Greenhouse has a design for short and long spaces, and its bottom is open. It can fit over a raised garden bed and also cover potted plants in a row. The greenhouse is easy to set up and take apart without needing tools. It is light, weighing only 8 pounds, so gardeners can move it around as they want. Stakes are included to hold it in place on the ground. One great feature of this greenhouse is the side panels. These panels can be rolled up all the way to the top of the frame. They can be tied there to give plenty of room for gardeners to plant, water, and remove weeds. Number 7 in my list is ShelterLogic 70,658 Greenhouse Kit. Constructing a large greenhouse is a major task, but it's simpler with the ShelterLogic Grow It Greenhouse in a Box, our choice for the finest big greenhouse kit. This greenhouse is spacious. It measures 20 feet in length, 10 feet in width, and 8 feet in height, to accommodate a variety of plants. To uphold its generous size, it possesses a strong powder-coated steel frame with shelter lock stabilizers that enhance the frame's durability and lifespan. The see-through, ripstop polyethylene cover is placed over the frame's top. The cover is made to fit snugly around the frame, ensuring it can endure harsh weather conditions. Number 6 in my list is ShelterLogic 23 Greenhouse Kit. If you're a gardener with limited space, a vertical shelf model is a great option. It doesn't take up much room but provides space for potted plants. The ShelterLogic Grow It 4-tier mini greenhouse is perfect for a small patio or backyard, measuring 1 foot 6 inches in length, 2 feet in width, and 5 feet in height. This mini greenhouse has a steel shelving unit with 4 shelves. You can remove these shelves to accommodate taller plants and tools. It comes with a clear PVC plastic cover that you can tie in place over the shelving unit to keep your plants safe. The cover also has a full-height roll-down zipper door panel with tiebacks, allowing for ventilation and easy access. Number 5 in my list is Nova Greenhouse Kit. If you're a gardener on a budget but still need space, check out the Nova Microdermabrasion Mini Walk-in Greenhouse. It's a cost-effective alternative to pricier freestanding walk-in greenhouses. This roomy greenhouse measures 4 feet 9 inches long, 4 feet 9 inches wide, and 6 feet 5 inches high. It even includes shelving, all at an affordable price. You can also opt for a smaller version, measuring 4 feet 9 inches wide and 2 feet 4 inches long. This greenhouse is budget-friendly due to its materials. It's built with a powder-coated metal frame and a waterproof, UV-protective polyethylene cover, offering good value without the high cost. Number 4 in my list is Palram Greenhouse Kit. Durable, roomy, and with an attractive design, the Canopy by Palram Greenhouse Kit is the top pick for gardeners seeking a sturdy and long-lasting greenhouse. It features a strong freestanding structure with UV-protective polycarbonate walls and an aluminum frame, built to withstand tough weather over many seasons. Assembling this greenhouse is quite simple too. No special tools are needed as the parts are pre-drilled and the panels are pre-cut to easily fit into the frame. Number 3 in my list is ShelterLogic Greenhouse Kit. Want a simple greenhouse for starting seeds? This 6 by 8 one is perfect for early gardening. It has a strong all-steel frame, so no worries about weak rods struggling to hold the cover. The screened bottoms offer great airflow and keep pests away. Plus, everything can be easily zipped up and secured within minutes. The 1 3/8 inch steel frame with a quality powder coating ensures durability and weather resistance for multiple seasons. Roll-up side panels snap into place, providing full-length screens for optimal air circulation and temperature control while deterring pests. The special fabric diffuses heat evenly and blocks harmful UV rays, benefiting all your plants. Get ready to garden even before spring arrives with this efficient, easy-to-use greenhouse. Number 2 in my list is Abccanopy Lean Greenhouse Kit. ideal for small gardens or hobby gardening. This portable greenhouse is a perfect fit. With dimensions of 6.5 by 3 by 7, it easily fits on patios, porches, balconies, or side yards. It comes with shelving, so once you've completed the simple setup, you're all set to start gardening. If you're looking to start seeds early in the season for later transplanting, this is the greenhouse for you. The sturdy UV protectant polyethylene cover adds sun protection and weatherproofing to the frame. For air circulation and temperature control, there are 2 roll-up windows. Plus, the convenient shelving means you can start gardening without delay. Number 1 in my list is Veikous Greenhouse Kit. Great news for dedicated gardeners. This premium greenhouse kit is a dream for those who want to grow their seedlings and keep gardening even in the winter. This spacious greenhouse, 8 by 16, is perfect for many plants, tools, and various types of plants, including fruits, vegetables, and houseplants. Say goodbye to rust and weather damage with its powder-coated aluminum frame. The thick polycarbonate wall panels have a special UV diffusion pattern, helping distribute light and heat effectively. In windy regions, this greenhouse can handle gusts of up to 30 mph. You're well prepared for any weather with its large lockable doors and adjustable roof vent. Setting up this greenhouse is a breeze if you follow the clear instructions and use the included accessory kit. Your gardening haven will be ready in no time. Alright guys, this we are today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for amazing incoming videos. Be sure to check out the link in the description for updated price of all the products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.